Elon Musk says he wants to buy Manchester United. Hi guys, my name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim and welcome to Crypto Bin 101. This is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show episode 4. And today we got big news, and sorry, it's like a joke because he's a billionaire, but at the same time he likes just making the headlines on other things, even though he owns one of the tech, you understand? He owns one of the tech giants in the world, and you guys must have known who I'm talking about is Elon Musk. Elon Musk says he wants to buy Manchester United. I don't know how that's going to work out, but we know him for his drama and for his whatever on Twitter all the time. I could remember when he invested in Bitcoin skyrocketed. After some time, he said they're no longer accepting Bitcoin again. After that, some couple of weeks or months ago now, he came up and said they've sold about 75% of their holdings on Bitcoin. So I just feel like he's a billionaire, but at the same time, he's got too much jokes. But if he's buying Man United, I think that's going to help Manchester United fans, because Man U have not been able to spot their space in the Premier League since Alex Ferguson left. But that's on Elon Musk, and good luck to Man United. If you guys want him to buy, reach out to him on Twitter. Let's see if he's going to buy and pump some money into the team. Let's take a look at what's happening in the market as well. And before we do that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so you can get the juicy and the fresh content that will be dropping every day. Like I told you, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, and it will be coming to your screen every day to update you on news, fundamentals. We'll take a look at the market and also look at the chart and one or two things like that, so you can have a clear picture of what is going on in the crypto space. Having said that, let's quickly run through the headlines, news that are making headlines. US regulator improperly pushing banks to avoid serving crypto companies, lawmaker says. Yeah, they've been doing that for long, and it's not only US trying to push crypto aside. We can all know in China, every time, China is always saying they're banning crypto today, they're banning crypto tomorrow, they're banning crypto next tomorrow. It's just like waking up to this breakfast show every day. You understand? And crypto is still alive. I believe so much in crypto, and I believe crypto is here to stay. Though we need regulations, we need a lot of things to make the space safe and good for investors. But at the same time, I don't think we can totally push it away. Just like the .com in 2000 and thereabout, where a lot of people are thinking, oh, it's a bubble, it's a bubble. Yes, the bubble was there. By the end of the day, today we're all using the internet. That's on the US regulator. We have another news that is making the headline. This is big. Crypto.com secures UK registrations. UK registration for crypto asset activity. This is big. This is big for the crypto community or the crypto space at large, because now we are now having different countries allowing some crypto companies to take out some activities. And we all know Crypto.com has been doing the most. If you check out Staples Center or something like that, they changed it to Crypto.com Arena now, which is a good thing for crypto. And I think the token was doing very nice some times ago. I'll take a look at it and update you guys probably tomorrow and let you know if you can get some token from them, because if they are pushing edges like this, I believe the token might skyrocket to something we will not even think about, like BNB, like Binance. Binance was been there for years, but now they have a token, which is the BNB token, at about 300 or something. We're going to check that out under the market watch shortly. Also, let's check about what's going on in the market. Is Bitcoin really a hedge against inflation? Yes, I think I can say that, because gold is a hedge against inflation, which everyone knows. But I think cryptocurrency, when you look at the gain over the period of time, I think it's still a win for people that have invested for so long. And even you that you're still going to join it probably in the next 1 month or at this bear market now, it's still a win for you. Because take a look at it, crypto has done so much numbers. Even though we have a bear market, which is good because every correction is good in the market. Market don't go like this. No. Market has to go like this. Corrections, bit of ranging and stuff like that, then continue. I don't think Bitcoin is going to go to zero, and I believe in crypto. So if you may ask me, is Bitcoin really a hedge against inflation? I think we can see it's due to what is happening globally. Inflation is increasing everywhere in the world. You understand? And I believe they're trying to do whatever they can do to reduce it and all of that. And investors, they need to have a safe haven where they can put their money in case of all these things happening in the economy. That's that. What can we look at before we move to the market watch to check what's happening in the market? Bitcoin trader anticipate new yearly lows after BTC's 25k rejection. I think we've been talking about this, that Bitcoin is failing to break 25 and 25,500. So we're expecting Bitcoin to pull down to 22,250 and thereabout. And we saw that happening yesterday, where we have Bitcoin drop down to 23,600, and probably we're going to see it pull back a bit, then before it continue the dip, like you guys call it in crypto. Let's check. Let's just run through some news again. Bitcoin stop at 25k. Still the same news everywhere. On this, let's check this. This is another news that's been trending on Twitter for some time. I think since yesterday. I don't know if it's still trending, but I saw it last night before I went to bed. Bitboy versus TATSE, something like that. Sue YouTuber for defamation and emotional distress. I think Bitboy is a joke, because you've said so many things about other people, and on this channel we're trying to educate ourselves. So I think they're just going to settle themselves out and see what's going to come about that. Let's check major news happening in the crypto. Crime falls 15% along with bear market chain analysis. I think I love that. I love that. If the crypto crime can be falling 15%, 30%, before you know, it's going to be a safe place for you and I to invest our money and sleep without even thinking of, hey, what if this happened, what if that happened. And we've seen a lot of crypto companies having problems. We'll see what's happening to Celsius. We've seen what happened to what's this one that happened in Australia, a guy that just disappeared with the whole crypto exchange. But that's what I'm saying. Before you get into this crypto space, you need good information, and that's why you need to subscribe to a channel like this, where we give you first class information. We give you what you need to know, and we'll let you know that this is good, this is bad. Though it's not financial advice or whatsoever we're giving, but it's just that we do our homework and we find out that, okay, this is good, this is not, because I'm a native trader, and as you all know, I come across a lot of things in the market, and that's why I have this vast experience about what's going on in the market, either in the cryptocurrency world, in the NFT world, in the metaverse world, whatsoever you want to talk about. I have a vast knowledge because I've been in the game for some time. So subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel, because you'll be getting good and valuable stuff from this channel, and I can bet you, especially this Bitcoin and breakfast show, we have a lot to still show you, and you're still going to get to see it with time. So just stick around. Make sure you click the notification bell to always get the juicy and fresh content from us. Let's quickly check what's happening. What is Dogecoin and the so-called Dogecoin layer 2 for DeFi, NFT, and game? I think Dogecoin, they're just trying to push. Dogecoin is trying to push. Elon Musk was on this project too, because I remember Dogecoin was trading below 0.05 when Elon Musk posted that he's bought some Dogecoin for his son or something like that. And before you know it, Dogecoin went from 0.05 to, I think, 70 cents. You understand? It was a lot of money that people made. But what happened at the end of the day came down to crash. And I think the project has been trying to push. I'm not investing in Dogecoin yet because I believe in a project whereby I know that, okay, this is going to be something great for me. I think that's all we have for you on the news, taking the news that makes headline for today. Let's now check the market watch and see what has been going on in the market for the past 24 hours, for the past 7 days, and so on. Now, when you look at the market watch, the total cryptocurrency market cap is still sitting at 1.1 trillion. You understand? 1.16 to be precise, 1.168 trillion. The 24 hours volume is sitting on 65 billion. You understand? And Bitcoin, the king. Bitcoin is sitting on 24,100 now. Sorry. Ethereum is sitting on 1,900. Theta is $1 You all know that. BNB is sitting on $318. Cardano is sitting on 0.56. And let's go down and check some coins that are below 100 and see how far and what they're doing. Top 100, I believe yesterday we had Akada something coin, but now we have XDC network sitting on 0.03, and we have Fee USD sitting on 0.98. Those are coins below or at 100 down. And we have a lot of cryptocurrency, by the way. I think we have 10,000 of them now, and some are just not good to put your money on. I bet you that. You need to do your own research, know who's behind the project, know what the roadmap is all about, know what the project is all about before you invest your money on any project you find in the crypto space, if you don't want to cry. You understand me? Okay, that's that on Market Watch. I think we can now check. Let me see. We don't really have much time to check on our NFTs. Maybe we will talk about that tomorrow. Let's talk about the fundamentals. Let's see what's going on in the fundamental news. According to what we have here today, we're going to be having AUD wage price index. We're going to be having New Zealand monetary policy. We're going to be having CPI. Core retail sales is coming up. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I normally trade core retail sales are fundamental before. There's a way you trade, you buy and sell at the same time. But I used to do that when I was starting. But we'll get back to that. We have retail sales in the United States today. We're having FOMC meeting today, and that is big. We're having FOMC minutes at 8 p.m. South African time today. So you can check out for all the news and make sure you get yourself prepared and know how or what's going to happen in the market, because like I told you, sometimes these news are just to confuse you or just to move the market in another direction or in your direction whatsoever the big boys or the big banks want to do. That's what they do, and that's why all these news, they're very important that you know what's going on. But like me, I'm a native trader. News don't move me. News don't move me. I'm used to the charts, I have my analyses, and I know what is going on in the market, and I can bet you that's why I've been doing numbers. You know, when you check about percentage every day, we are above 100, 200, 300% profits when we trade. And that, if you want to learn more about trading, you can check the description down below and visit the Instacash FX Academy, where you can learn how to trade, learn how to invest, and learn a whole lot of more. Even though you want to sell your Bitcoin, you want to buy a Bitcoin, they do that as well. And they are proud sponsor of this, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. You understand? Which we love that, and kudos to Instacash for doing that. Now I think we have some minutes left. Let's check what's going on in the market. I'm talking about, let's look at the chart and see exactly what's happening on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Then we can choose one other altcoins, and we just have a quick discussion about that. Okay, right now, whoa, that's beautiful. wow, you can see what's going on. We have Bitcoin pulling back to 24,400 thereabout, and now it's dropping massively. So it's dropping massively, and I believe, like I said, I think I said it on my previous video that we have Bitcoin is going to go below 23k, but right now, as of yesterday, it was on 23.6 something, and I said we need to see a pullback because we need to have a structure before we can confirm that the market is falling. And I think that's what is about to happen. We have Bitcoin testing 24,400 thereabout, and now we're seeing a massive drop. And if we can break 23,600, I believe we're going to have a pull down to where I predicted, and I believe market should get down to 22,850 or below, and we'll see that as time goes on. But to just analyze the market and see that, is this the same for you to buy Bitcoin now or not to buy Bitcoin now? I feel like do not get into the market now as a buyer. Even though you want to buy now, you should have your buy limit, or I mean your buy stop set above 24,400, even though you want to scale a bit of profit. But we're not having a guarantee buy if we don't break 25,500, because the markets are spiked 25,200, and you can see from here 25,200, and since then market has been going down. And there's one thing that's happening in the market right now. If you use Fibonacci, Bitcoin from the high to the low, the market is bouncing back at 50%. And when market is bouncing back at 50%, the market actually continues back to where it's coming from. So we might see Bitcoin coming down to test this down zone, then continue moving up to spot that 24,800 or 24,900 thereabout before we see the down movement. And as well, this might be that we're having our structure being formed, and market continue dipping down. You understand? But what I'm trying to say is, as a trader, you need to have a vast knowledge before you trade. As an investor, you need to have a good mentor or a good advisor, or somebody like, or a good channel where you get good information to know if you should buy or if you should sell. But I think right now, I'll tell you, don't buy Bitcoin right now. If you're in the market, you have a short, leave a short open. Only for traders that want to scale some profit. Maybe you just feel like, okay, I want to scale it from this 23,900 back to about 24 something and make that profit. But I feel like you don't need to waste your time. Wait until the market is good to buy, then you load your guns and start shooting. So I think on Bitcoin, we're still on the downtrend. Like I say, we're down. As I speak to you right now, Bitcoin is on 23,944, and I believe it should still go down more. So let's have a quick check on ETA USD. Let's have a quick check on ETH USD. ETH USD, like I said, ETH still needs to fall down, which we all see it, you know. ETH spike 185. You know, I've been saying it that I expect ETH to come down. ETH is forming a structure already, so I believe we should see ETH still going down more. So thinking of buying ETH, you know, I think you need to wait or subscribe to our channel, because if you subscribe to our channel, when we see a signal that you're supposed to buy, we're going to drop it on our Let's Trade segment, whereby we'll tell you, oh, you can buy now, you can sell now. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all those investment tips, trading tips, and all those things that I was saying on the channel. I think for Ethereum too, it's just still the same thing. Just hold on. I won't advise you to buy now. Just wait. Not financial advice anyway, but I'm just telling you what I do to make some money and what I've learned, or what I'm used to for the past year. So now I think that's that. I don't know. Let's check on Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is making waves. Let's check Dogecoin US dollar. Let's check what's going on in Dogecoin US dollar. Dogecoin USD. It's Okay, is it safe to buy Dogecoin now? I feel like Dogecoin has moved a little bit high enough, so we need a retest. We need a retest, and I feel like that's why all of this coin, you know, I told you Bitcoin is the king. If Bitcoin is falling, others follow. Only Ethereum was trying to outperform BTC in the past few weeks, but we can see that ETH2 is now coming down to pull back, and we cannot find where we can, you know, buy or load some coin from that. Talking about Dogecoin has been breaking structures, so I feel like Dogecoin should pull back down a bit before it will pull up. But if you want to know much about our trading skill, our trading tips, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so you can get when we post the video about how with the trades we're taking, what's going on in the market, because we do that time to time on this channel. I think that's all what we have on the chart analysis. Shout out to our sponsors, Instacash FX for sponsoring the show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. And if you want to sell your Bitcoin or you want to buy your Bitcoin, go to www.instacashfx.com and place your order, and I believe they're going to pay you instantly. And if you want to learn about trading, you want to know much about crypto space, you want to know how to invest, go to Instacash FX. I think there's a spot for you over there where you can apply for free training, and you will be, I don't know, probably notified when you're going to be scheduled for the free training. Also, if you're interested in our Discord channel where we drop the source every day, the link is down in the description. You can check our Discord channel out and subscribe or join our Discord channel. It's a new community and it's growing slowly, but we'll be dropping trade signals and a lot of more things on it as well. So I think that's all we have for you today on the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, and I believe you've enjoyed whatever we've brought to you today, and thanks for staying with me throughout the show. My name still remains the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show on the Crypto 101 channel, where we trade it and we don't gamble it. Like I used to say, trade it, never gamble it. Peace.